sometimes in life you don't realize something is wrong until it's too late, until it's already installed. That's exactly what happened with me and my demon hood. So as y'all already know, in part one, we got the demon hood installed. We got the fitment tested. Everything looked good from a distance. But when you get up close on it, that's when I started to realize the flaws. I realized that the corners of the hood, near when you fold it up near the windshield, those two corners were bent. And I also noticed that the hood scoop, um, it had some, what do you call it? It just wasn't perfect, you know. So when I tried to put the plastic piece into it, I just seen a lot of flaws. So like where the demon hood is, and it goes around the scoop right there, it didn't align perfectly. And then the part that pushes in at the bottom where it snaps into the place, the plastic piece, once that is sitting in place at the top where the scoop is, that didn't align right. It was more like a wavy thing like this. And then if it's like that, and that's flushed, then the part at the bottom was popping out. So it was just a disaster. So what I ended up doing was reaching out back to the manufacturer, let them know what issues I was having with the hood, with the defects and everything like that. I sent them pictures and I sent them videos. And they was like, all right, cool. Send it back to us. They sent me a brand new one. So now, as of right now, we got the brand new demon hood sitting in the garage. And we're going to redo this demon hood install, and we're going to do it exactly the right way. We're going to first fully inspect the hood, and then we're going to do a fitment test, latch test, and then after that, we will finally be where we need to be with this demon hood install. And without further ado, we're going to get straight into it. Let's do it. All right, guys. As you can see, we finally finished this project. We finally got the Demon hood attached to the car, and this is what it looks like. But before we go into the details, I just want to talk a little bit and get this off my chest. You know, my final thoughts and everything. First and foremost, I would like to say, if this is something that you are interested in doing, referring to the hood swap, first and foremost, make sure that you got an extra set of hands with you, even two. You know, that'd be better. The more the merrier, because once it comes to putting it on the hood, putting it on the car and getting it lined up and getting it bolted back in, that task, it may seem simple, but it could get a little complex. Something so simple can actually turn into something very difficult, especially if you're trying to do it by yourself. So I suggest that you have a team of people, at least one other person with you to help you out getting this done, unless you're getting it done professionally. Obviously, we did this right at home. But we finally got it installed. Everything good. I ain't gonna lie to you. The install is not perfect. It's not perfect. This is an aftermarket hood. It's not OEM. So I expected some flaws, and just as sure as I thought, we do have a few. So I was having issues with the alignment. So I wasn't really completely happy with that. I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. So the alignment, and it was just, like I said, it was just a hassle getting it put on, but we finally got it done. And I'm gonna just show y'all what we got. I'm gonna cut the talking short, man. I'm gonna just show y'all what we got. We're gonna do a quick review. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like, and then we're gonna do a walk around of the car, and we're gonna go from there, man. Let's get straight into it. And last but not least, I just want to say thank you for my 1,000 subscribers. We just hit over 1,000 subscribers a few months ago. I know I haven't been consistently posting like that, but I'm trying to turn y'all up. I'm trying to keep more content coming to the channel as quickly as possible. But without further ado, I'm gonna need all y'all who watching, all of y'all who follow this channel and following this build with me. I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, please, because that definitely helps me out and it helps the channel out a huge amount. So if you could take the time to do that for me, we would highly appreciate that, man. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be back with the next one. Let's get it. Yeah.